Yeah, okay, fuck whatever he said. Yeah. It's my truck, bitch. Ain't your truck. You just say that because it's parked in your... It's a knife. Really. Sit in this shit. Yeah. Look at that. 200, bitch. Bitch. Supercharged. Bitch. This sunroof. Yeah. Manufactured in '02. Serial number, oh, VIN number. 05592. Cup holders. Those are for Slurpee cups. Or a big 40. Glove compartment. Ooh. Burnt phone. Haha. See, when you own a truck like this, you gotta have this phone. Burnt and fried to shit. This is my best phone. Oh yeah. No battery. But anywho, it's good for texting. Oh yeah. As you see, the button is real easy. Pretty good, man. Paid $10. Pays to go. I was on a plan till this happened. No, I bought it like that. Harley Davidson. Leather seats. Chrome handles. Big back one. Let's go inside now. Getting cold.